What's going on today, guys? Before we jump into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Last Fit Auto Lighting. The link to their Instagram will be in the description below. Make sure to go check that out. Use the code THATWIDE on anything on the website. Use that link and you'll get 10% off. Make sure to go check them out. We've put Last Fit all over the Tahoe. We've got them in the headlights, we've got interior lighting, the reverse lights, and the license plate lights. They're all super bright. The quality is great, better than anything I've seen before, and they make awesome stuff. The customer service is great. It ships quick. Everything about this company is fantastic, so make sure you go hit them up. Link in the description below. Again, huge shout out to Last Fit Auto Lighting. You guys have a great day. Let's jump into the video. What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? Today is all about the Tahoe, but first, I haven't done a 2-minute restaurant review in a hot little minute, so I think you guys deserve one. There's a nice little breakfast spot that me and Lewis always go to before we go to work, or actually during work, kinda. So me and Jordan, I'm gonna get Jordan in the passenger seat because he's never ridden in the Tahoe, and we're gonna ride out and go get something to eat. I will see you guys when we get to the restaurant. We'll get through all of that and then I'll explain everything that we're doing today. We got a lot that we're doing today. Me and Lewis are working all on the Tahoe today. No truck content, all Tahoe. So let's go. Wow, that rhymed. No Tahoe. Let's go. GoPro, because you never know. Oh my goodness, man. We got bars today. I'm sorry, that was my moment. Let's go get something to eat. My girlfriend be proud. I'm using a blinker.
It's if it goes.
So we're going to get some French toast. That's my go-to in the morning. They've got really good French toast. You get some eggs and some bacon. I do want to let you guys know, normally when we do the 2-minute restaurant reviews, we have cut down to 5-star rating, make it a little simpler. And I don't drink sweet tea anymore. I just cut sweet tea out of my life. I don't drink soda or like, I don't like beer. I don't really like alcohol at all. And I definitely don't drink sodas and energy drinks. So tea was like my go-to thing all the time, and it was getting really bad for me. It's a lot of sugar. So I've cut sweet tea out. So sweet tea will not be in the voting anymore. But that'll just emphasize a little bit more on the food. So we're arriving at the spot. Is literally like 30 seconds from Magnum Collision. So I'll see you guys inside. This place is called Come In Get It. The letter N. Come and Get It. Beautiful. French toast. You guys know I like to do these little 2-minute restaurant reviews, just little fun places I go eat here in Atlanta since I've moved here. And this little breakfast place that me and Lewis go to, Come and Get It, is definitely one of my favorites so far. So definitely go check it out if you're in the Marietta, Atlanta area. They've got great French toast, just great breakfast in general. I haven't had anything other than their breakfast, but everything is pretty awesome. The French toast is great. And again, huge shout out to Jordan. Make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. Subscribe to his YouTube. I'll put the link of his Instagram and his YouTube in the description below, so make sure y'all go follow me. So close to 100 subscribers on YouTube, and I want to help him out to get there. So I'm gonna dive into some awesome French toast here, and I will see you guys in a minute when we start on the Tahoe. I completely forgot to give this a rating. Honestly, this place I'd give like a 4, 4.5 stars. I mean, this place is pretty solid. Come and get it. Again, if you guys like breakfast stuff, make sure to check them out. All right, so the goal of today's video, me and Lewis, my favorite man in the entire world over there, hey, we're gonna be taking the valence off the front of the Tahoe today, along with maybe some other stuff. It really just depends on how long this takes. I wanna give a huge shout out to Cam Yoder on Instagram. Link will be in the description below. You guys go make sure to give him a follow. Whoa, headlights right in the way. Make sure to go give him a follow. He's one of the only people I've seen that's done this, and he kind of helped me through the process a little bit, but I will be making a full video of this for you guys today. So it might not be too bad. It looks like Hold on one second.
A few moments later.
Getting this off doesn't look like it's gonna be too bad. We got a bunch of bolts that we gotta take off and then one little piece. So obviously I'm taking all the bolts off. Lewis is cutting the plastic piece on the bottom of the bumper. I will not be doing that job today. That is why we have Lewis here. Lewis is gonna be the, have the more important job of the day. But let's jump into the install. I'm really excited. My girlfriend is not here currently, so when she gets here, hopefully we can surprise her with having this off, because I know that's what she really wants. We also have demon eyes and wheel lights that we're gonna try and get started today. I don't know if we'll finish, but we're at least gonna get those started today. So I will, whoa, I will see you guys in a minute. Let's jump into the install, roll the install music. I just said install like we're putting something on the truck. We're definitely taking something off. Let me bring you guys along. Hold on one second. We're gonna have to go up on this a little bit. All right, so this is what we're working with today. So we've got a bunch of little pins to take off. The only part that we were a little worried about originally is this stuff right here. So we are just gonna have to take these little plastic support brackets out. I think that's what Cam was talking about. So we do need to take those out. I don't know where this is gonna connect to anymore though, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But there's a piece that's gonna be left over. This, if you guys can see, this bottom section right here is actually part of this right here. So we're gonna have to cut that little trim piece off the bottom for it to look flush all the way across. I don't know, again, that's why Lewis is here, so he can do that part. I'm not gonna mess with that part, but we're gonna jump into the install and hopefully we can get this done before she gets here. I'm pretty excited because this is the last real trim piece left on the Tahoe, and this is gonna give it that clean all around look on the bottom. So you guys know we took the side steps off, we took the mud flaps off, we debadged the entire thing, and this is literally the last piece of bottom trim that's left on the truck. So getting this off, again, is gonna give it that clean all around look, and I wanna give you guys a step-by-step because I'm sure there's some people out there that are wondering how we did this. So I'm gonna roll the, I guess normally it would be install music, but today it's gonna be, I guess, debadge music, de-install music, demolding music, whatever the hell it is. Roll the music. Is that a 10 millimeter? I guess this is one of the plastic support pieces that's under there. Most of your vehicles don't come with these anyway, so we're just gonna take them off. Support piece number 2. We actually had like 3 little white clips to get out, but all the clips are out. We just gotta push the valence out now. We're pretty close. I'm pretty excited to see how it looks. It's gonna give it a really clean look. I think we just gotta get this thing pushed out. I think we might try and knock out the demon eyes today while we're here, but we'll see. Let's get this done first. Make sure we can get this plastic trim piece on the bottom cut off. Get this done right. I don't want to cut any corners on this. Definitely not. Get him out. There we go. That's awesome. Well, as you guys can see, the front valence is off of the Tahoe one way or another. We get this bread around here. That might not have been the way to get it off, but we got it off. So we got a little bit of trimming to do. So let me toss those as the side. Obviously we don't need those anymore. We got a little bit of trimming to do. Let me show you guys. So we definitely need to trim this a little bit to just kind of make it even and flush. And then we need to get all of this off right here. So we're gonna tape it off, and Lewis is gonna cut that off, make it all nice and pretty. And I will see you guys when we are done.
Right from here, all over there. Hold on. Stick dry. One more.
Bam, just like that, the valence is off. Man, I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? I think that it really just completes the whole debadged look of this truck, and I think she's gonna be really happy with it. We're still back and forth about whether or not we're gonna lift it or not. If we end up staying in Atlanta long term, we're probably gonna leave it low, but again, who knows? At this point, it's still kind of up in the air. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button if you guys like this. This video will end up in the Tahoe Build Series playlist. Before we continue on with the video, I wanna give a huge shout out to Lewis. Thank you so much for helping me out with this and everything that you do. Make sure y'all go follow Lewis on Instagram, El Morgallo. His Instagram description will be in the link below, the top of the link in the description below. Make sure y'all go give him a follow. And I'm gonna wait for her to show up and see what she thinks. All right, first impression, what do you think? Do you like it? Valence removal was a success. She's very happy with it, even though she's not saying it on camera. We've got a lot of stuff still going on with the Tahoe. Wheel lights are coming next, so stay tuned for that video. It's not gonna take us 2 videos, hopefully, this time to do them on the Tahoe. But I've got Lewis helping me this time, so we're gonna see how that goes. Before we end the video off, I've got a special surprise for you guys I think should be pretty fun. We're gonna go destroy a radio. So I'm gonna go grab Jordan and we're gonna find something really big and metal and we're gonna destroy the old radio that's in the back of his, or that was in his car.
That's the sexiest thing I've ever seen.
What, your Tahoe? Or you?
No.
Both of them. We're gonna go destroy this radio. Let's see how, let's go have some fun before we end the video off. Oh, and by the way, the 5% windshield tint, not a good idea. I would not recommend that. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Maybe 15, or I might even go back to 35 because 5%, it's pretty bad. All right, what are we gonna use today? We've got a shovel, a squeegee, a hoe. You see what I did there? Hoe. That's not funny. I don't even know what the hell that is. What is this?
I don't know.
We're not using that. I think the shovel is the move today. We're gonna use the shovel.
I'm taking that.
The shovel. That's what we're...
Yeah, we need 2. Oh.
Give me more. Yeah, there we go. Get a good little golf swing here.
Hole in one.
Oh, the screen!
Wow.
All right, hold on. Wait,
Let's see.
That was weird.
Yeah, I knocked the hell out of that thing.
Yo.
Oh, no.
Oh, shit.
That was terrible.
All right, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe button. Follow everybody in the link in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get...
Follow the hoe.
Follow the hoe. This wide bow tie. Be in the link in the description. Look what's going on back here. We have fun on this channel. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is he gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.